Hello everybody, Unicornlady Tech here, North Texas, Zone 8A, and you see all that white stuff coming down, February 3rd, 2022. And that's my garden out there, but most of that was taken in December when we had the first freezy night. Everything out there is gone. My 3 kohlrabis, my kale, my Swiss chard, my cabbages, and the only thing out there right now is garlic. I have some elephant garlic out there in that black bucket and in the blue bucket all the way at the far back. So I did replace my garden, but it's not out there in that white stuff. It is right here in my kitchen. That's right. Strawberry, Brussels sprouts, 2 lettuces, cabbage, kale, my herb garden, some pansies. Oh yeah, I wasn't taking no chances. I just bought them 2 days ago from Lowe's. I also picked up this baby from the clearance rack. What does that say? The 29th, same day. From the clearance rack, and it did not look like this when I got it. It was so thirsty. It was laying down on the job. I gave her some water, some Epsom salt, and now she's beautiful again. So hopefully this won't last but so long, and probably by tomorrow it'll be all melted and stuff. Maybe. It's usually how it works here, but we're not living in usual times. So, till I make a new video, see you guys again on the flip side.